Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Salim from Faisal Mosque, Islamabad, the fifth largest mosque in the world, the largest mosque in South Asia, and visible from miles away, and is not only an architectural marvel but also a significant religious and cultural landmark. It is situated at the north end of Faisal Avenue, putting it at the northmost end of the city. It is located on an elevated area of land against a picturesque backdrop of the national park. The late King Faisal of Saudi Arabia commissioned Faisal Mosque in 1976 as a gift to the Pakistani people. Turkish architect Vedat Duluke, chosen through an international competition, designed the mosque. The mosque features a contemporary design consisting of 8 sides of concrete shell and inspired by the design of a typical Bedouin tent. The construction began in 1976 and completed in 1986, making it one of the largest mosques in the world at that time. The mosque named after King Faisal, who played a crucial role in its funding and construction. Faisal Mosque was the largest mosque in the world from 1986 till 1993. Faisal Mosque is now the 6th largest mosque in the world, and in terms of capacity, Faisal Mosque design is a blend of modern and traditional Islamic architecture, symbolizing Pakistan's progressive outlook while honoring its cultural heritage. The mosque's main prayer hall is vast, accommodating up to 1 lakh worshippers, with its unique shape resembling a Bedouin tent. Its stunning white marble facade and 4 towering minarets, reaching a height of 88 meters, give it a majestic presence against the backdrop of a Margla hill. The interior is embellished with intricate Turkish-style calligraphy and geometric patterns, creating a serene and spiritual atmosphere. Faisal Mosque is not only a place of worship but also serves as a cultural center and popular tourist attraction. Visitors can explore an expansive courtyard, enjoy a panoramic view of Islamabad from the mosque's elevated location, and admire the picturesque surroundings. The mosque's library houses a vast collection of Islamic literature, attracting scholars and researchers from around the world. It hosts various events including religious ceremonies, lectures, and cultural exhibitions, promoting interfaith harmony and understanding. Faisal Mosque is open to visitors of all faiths, but non-Muslims are encouraged to respect the sanctity of the prayer halls and adhere to modest dress code. Visitors can explore the adjacent Faisal Avenue Park, offering recreational facilities and stunning view of the mosque. Faisal Mosque stands as a symbol of unity, faith, and architectural excellence, welcoming visitors from all walks of life to experience its grandeur and spirituality. Let's go inside and evidence the beauty of spirituality at its finest.